Hello, I'm Chasen Yadoni, and today we'll be doing how to make colors in Unity. So usually when you create cubes or when you create any type of asset, I would say, most of the time it's not in color unless you have it as a prefab. But most of the time it's just a model. And when it's just a model, or if it's already a prefab, you just want to add different colors. So I'm going to teach you how to add colors. So first I'm just going to do this. And first we'll add a cube just to add something. And first let's add, and then instead of just calling it color, it's called a material. So right here. So you click it, it'll say new material. And then what you do here is, it's okay if you want to get into the advanced systems of this thing, like if you want it to reflect or do any of that, you can mess around with metallic smoothness. There's a lot of others. And so first, this is simple. I'm just going to do color. So it's going to be bright blue like this. You can, and then, yeah, so when you have it, it'll show up here. You can add much more. And if you have trouble finding it and like you have a lot of assets, you can go to all materials and you'll find it right here. So you just drag and drop. So you see right here, and you drag it to an asset. It'll allow you to edit it. And there you are, you found your color. So now that we've added a color, you can even make like different colored type of things just by duplicating the cubes, and then just by adding new cubes, and then by doing this for the camera area. So, okay, so I'm gonna make this smaller so that we can make some sort of different type of thing. And then I'm gonna move this. Z. Okay, yep, this is not peeking out of the back. Okay, let's actually select the right thing now. Okay, I'm gonna move this like right here, and I'm gonna mess around with its size. Okay, now that I've done what I wanted to here, I'll add a material, change the color. This time I'm gonna change it to red because this will be a completely different color. And now we've created, I don't know what this is, but we've created it. Okay, and I'm gonna duplicate it. And I'm gonna place it right here. And I'm gonna add a new material. And this time I'll make it green. So brightness set to high. I'm setting it to green, put it, and add it here. So then you can just keep on doing this like this. Add material, check it, make it high, and this time let's make it cyan. These look the same. Oh geez. It's kind of hard to tell some colors from others, so this is where you can kind of change the materials. So if I go back, so then so it changes in real time. If you like change it like right here. So if I make it bluish, Actually, that's kind of, let's just make this one black. And I think it could be easier to duplicate it, but can't find that here. Okay. And pretty much I can like duplicate this all the time until I get some type of weird thing. So I'm just gonna make do with what I have and create a robot sort of thing with this material. And then this looks kind of like what I wanted. Yeah, so then you can add much more materials around the sides, this, and then you can add it around every area pretty much. So if you download some type of asset that has all the colors of a material, then it'll be quite easy. You just need to drag and drop. So pretty much all you need to do to finish this or to make this is just dragging and dropping to change colors. Now we can also just like make an entire thing here. So I'm gonna try and make one. Okay, so I'm going back to right here, and I'm gonna select this, and instead of cyan, I'm gonna make this gray. Actually, let's make this yellow, and we can keep on repeating again. You go here, duplicate, and next material I'm gonna add will be, I think this will be red, and I'm gonna make this slightly transparent. Transparent red. I've actually never tried this. Okay. So let's add this transparent type of red. Guess it does not work that. You know what? Actually, just white's fine. And let's add this. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this part. And yeah, I pretty much created this. So overall, this is how you can create materials and change them up in Unity. Pretty much other than this, I have nothing else to show you material-wise. I'm fine. I'm gonna try to. So yeah, I'm gonna try to create something, and I'm gonna try to show you with it. So I created a cube, and I'm just gonna try to make. To be simple, I'll just make. I don't even know what I can make. I'll just make a wall. And I'm gonna color it blue like a force field. So you can do like many things. You can add this, you can add this, and you can experiment a lot of things with Unity. So I'm pretty sure all you need to know is create a material, change it to whatever you like this. You can change it to metallic. And yeah, pretty much you can do almost anything you like, right? So like you can make it how dark it is. You can choose how, I'm not sure what this is. I think this might be color or brightness. And this is visibility. So like that. And yeah, so pretty much you can change this You can add materials to things that you want, like if you have a table tennis racket, add red, blue, actually red, black, and some type of brown, right? So if I add here, so I just wanted to say gray and making gray and making brown are some of the most hardest colors, but you need to like put it like right there, and you can pretty much make brown. That's pretty much all I have now. That gives me the idea of making this chocolate. So that's pretty much all I have. Hope you have fun while putting colors, because I know it can be quite frustrating sometimes if you like don't have any colors. And you're like, hey, what? I want to add colors in this. How? So I hope you like this video and you can recommend me for anything else that's basic for beginners. And pretty much bye.